Killua, I love you. Killua, I love you.
No! Don't ever come out again! You hear me?
Did you make Nanika cry? Did you? She's so curled up now and crying her eyes out! Apologize to Nanika!
But then...
Go say you're sorry! If you want to protect me like you say you do, you have to protect Nanika too! But if you're going to be mean to Nanika, I hate you!
Nanika, I apologize. What I did was wrong. I'm sorry. Nanika, I promise that I'll protect you. I won't leave you. But don't grant other people's wishes. I'll always be there to praise you whenever you want. So please, come out for me. Just one more time.
Сколько бы я не просил, но ты же знала, что меня теряла. Я босиком по стеклам бегал так упрямо. Если бы не твой,
Will you please forgive me for being such a bad big brother?
и звезды мирно падали, как будто до меня. Я каждый раз загадывал тебя не потерять.